So my skin condition previously is like all wounds. For my hand should be fine, but for my leg all got scars and wounds, like very serious. Also got inflammation, but now don't have lah. I feel like it's quite disturbing because my wounds, they will have like watery. So when I go to others' car, I need to think whether it will stick on the chair, and also maybe go to a particular place like cinema. Then when I stand up, I will see the water on the chair. I'll feel like quite disturbing for others lah. Yeah. I did see a lot of solution, but there's one is the most successful. Until time, the doctor told me that I can't eat a lot of things. For example, yeast, curry, soy sauce. Basically, it's like all our food in daily lives. I can't even prevent it. I don't think that works lah. I got to know Revival Clinic is from Facebook. My mother saw it, then she told me to give it a try lah. The doctor consultation is quite different from what I faced before. He mostly give me like theoretical part. He will just give me advice like, you better don't eat this. If you really can't prevent, then maybe you eat more supplement to help myself out lah. A lot of things really can't prevent. For example, sugar. I will eat a little bit lah if I really cannot prevent it. Yeah. At first, in the first place when I can't, because my wound is too serious, so doctor told me to eat anti-allergy, anti-fungus, then TCC, and another two is a probiotic and enzyme. Only the anti-allergy should be the medicine lah. Yeah, that one is to make me not so itchy. Then I continuously eat the supplement. For the supplement like the TCC, probiotic and the enzyme, it mostly helped me on my digestion, because according to doctor, my villi is short, so that's the main problem for me to have this eczema. Medicine part and supplement part, he also give me the Zhi Yi cream and also steroid. These two I think it's quite useful for me when it's itchy. The nurse and also the doctor help me, like give me suggestion. If I got itchy, then I just put on steroid, then put the protection cream. For the wound part, they also give me suggestion don't use steroid, because steroid is just like help me to cure my skin temporarily. So better just put on the Zhi Yi cream, or maybe just leave it and eat the supplement to help wound become not so serious. Yeah. And other than that, I also do the Ondan mat. It's also very useful to me lah. Yeah. Basically, my wounds are being cured by it for the most serious part also. Yeah. I think currently is quite stable. Now I already in the stage of I only need to apply lotion and also the Zhi Yi cream to help me recover my skin protection to prevent it come again lah. Because now I don't have any wounds like hand, leg. The ones that will have watery also already cured. Yeah. Now my skin condition I mentioned before is quite stable already, and my friends all like, oh yeah. Then I feel very happy lah, honestly. I will recommend the Revival Clinic to others because the doctor will only give you like preventional solution, but according to their suggestion, then do the improvements lah. It's very different from other clinic.